How to like and comment on videos in Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the video you want to interact with by browsing the home feed, sourcing, or selecting from your subscriptions. To like a video, simply tap on the thumbs up button located below the video player. The number of likes will increase and this lets the creator know you enjoyed their content. To comment, tap on the comment section. Then tap on the comment box, type your message and then hit the send button. You can also reply to other users' comment by tapping the reply option next to their comment. Additionally, you can use emojis, tags or mentions in your comment to make it more engaging. Interacting with videos through likes and comments helps you stay connected with your favorite creators and join the Bilibili community. Now you know how to like and comment on videos in Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.